Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of Bashar's most profound and powerful teachings. For those of you who aren't familiar with Bashar, he's a being of high consciousness channeled through Darryl Anka. He shares powerful messages on how to live in alignment with our true essence, manifest our desires, and live a life filled with joy and abundance. One of his most transformative passages comes from a session where Bashar talks about the importance of following our passion. It's a simple message, but when understood deeply, it can shift everything in your life. So let's dive in. Here's what the passage says: follow your passion. Do what excites you without concern for how it will unfold. Your passion is the compass that points you towards your true path, and when you follow it, the universe will support you in ways you can't even imagine. Trust that your excitement is your connection to your highest self. It's not the outcome that matters, but the feeling of joy and excitement in the process. This passage is such a powerful reminder of how we often get caught up in the how and when of our desires, rather than simply focusing on the next step that excites us. Bashar is telling us to trust our passion, to follow our heart, and not to worry about the specifics of how our dreams will manifest. It's easy to get bogged down by doubt, fear, or the pressure of needing to know the exact path we need to take. But according to Bashar, your passion is your inner compass, always guiding you in the right direction. When Bashar says, without concern for how it will unfold, he's urging us to let go of the need to control everything. Many of us want certainty, but the truth is, life is full of unexpected twists and turns, and it's through embracing that uncertainty that we actually experience the magic of life. The universe will support you when you follow your excitement, but only if you trust that excitement to lead you. The part of the passage that says your passion is your connection to your highest self is profound. Bashar is teaching us that our true essence, the most authentic version of ourselves, is not found in external validation or in doing things we think we should do. It's found in doing what excites us, what feels alive and vibrant inside of us. When Bashar speaks about excitement being a connection to our highest self, he's talking about the frequency of energy. Our emotions and feelings are like a language of the soul, a way for us to communicate with the universe. Excitement, in this context, is a high-frequency emotion. It aligns us with the energy of creation, of abundance, and of infinite possibilities. And here's the big key. When we follow our excitement, we're not doing it for a specific outcome. We're doing it because it feels good in the moment. Too often, we chase our goals or take action because we think we have to, or because we think it will just get us something. But Bashar is reminding us that the true magic happens when we do things because they light us up regardless of the outcome. This is why doing what excites you doesn't necessarily mean you have to know the full picture of what your future looks like. You don't have to have the whole plan laid out. Sometimes just taking the first step towards something that excites you can lead to bigger opportunities you never imagined. For example, think about someone like Steve Jobs. He didn't start Apple because he knew it would become the massive company it is today. He started it because he had a passion for technology and innovation. The success came later. His excitement in the moment is what led him to the next step. Had he been focused solely on the outcome, he might never have even taken that first step. Now, I know it's not always easy to follow our passion. We live in a world that often tells us to focus on the practical route, go to school, get a stable job, and play it safe. But that can lead us feeling unfulfilled and even stuck. Bashar understands that fear and doubt come up when we step out of our comfort zone. But remember, these feelings are simply part of the process. The universe will always give us what we need as long as we stay in alignment with our passion. Sometimes, following your excitement means taking risks. It might mean stepping away from a job or a relationship that no longer serves you, or pursuing something that feels completely different from what others expect of you. But Bashar encourages us to trust the process and trust that when we do what excites us, the universe will conspire to bring us exactly what we need. So to sum it up, Bashar's message is simple yet profound. Follow your passion, trust your excitement, let go of the need to control the outcome. Your highest self is guiding you through that inner excitement, and the more you follow it, the more the universe supports you. I challenge you today to think about something that excites you, something you've always wanted to try or do, and take one small step toward it. Don't worry about how it will unfold, just follow the excitement. Thank you so much for watching. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And feel free to share your thoughts on following your passion in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.